Good day everyone. In this video today, I will show you how to add a second email to iPhone. So to do this, what you have to do is just open your Gmail app on your phone. Okay. So when done with that, the next thing for you to do is just to click on the profile picture at the top right of the screen. So when done, click on add another account. As you can see right here, click on it to continue. So when done, click on Google to continue. So click on continue right here. So when it has finished loading, you can then enter the email address right here. So when done, click on next to continue. So when done, enter your password. As you can see right now, I've just entered my password. So click on next to continue. Then log in. Let's just give you some time for it to load. So right here, as you can see, I've just logged into the email address, which is this one below it. So that's all to do this. Hope this video helped. Please give it a thumb up and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. See you in the next video.